So I came up with an idea today. I was just resting. I was taking a rest, and I was like, wait a second. It's been almost a year since I visited Sarasota Classic Car Museum. It was last year, and I remember how much I loved that place when I went there. And I remember they had a lot of unique, really cool looking models that you don't see anymore these days around. Ferraris and Porsches, and I just checked their website, and I got a little sad actually, because once I open it on their main page, it says there was the news saying that we're moving. So I believe they have to move. It was saying that we're moving on March 15. So I believe they have to find a new place, a new location. Maybe I was wondering, maybe their lease is over and they have to find a new home for their cars. But imagine moving all those 100 pieces or more than that. It's not going to be easy. But so since I live about 15 miles from them, and I'm not too far, and I say this is my chance. If not now, then when? Because they're gonna move soon in the next 2 months, and I have to go again and visit them, at least for the last time before they find a new place. And I consider that a real car enthusiast heaven. And I'm going to spend there at least an hour. I want to record, film all their models again, and share with you the same experience I get, and see if there are any changes since the last year I've been there. Who knows? Let's see. I'm already really excited, so let me finish my lemonade and let's go there. In 1972, used a Revolta. Wow. This is a pretty unique looking car. This is beautiful. Just look at this Austin. Such a high quality build. Almost no any plastics. It's all steel and leather. Wow. And here we have the Porsche collection. It's a 1951 Porsche 356. This is beautiful. It almost looks like a candy. Here's another 1930 American Austin. Here's another Iso Revolta GT, which I really love. Beautiful. Just look at this design. 1970. Oh, I would definitely drive this every day around the city. 1968 Porsche 911L. Now this is a real timeless design. Just imagine, this was made in 1968 and it still looks just stunning. Okay, so looks like there used to be probably two cars or one, and it's gone. Since they are preparing to move, they may sell a few cars maybe here and there. Here's a 944 from 1985. Coupe, beautiful. I just love this color. And actually, before buying my Jaguar XJS, I was kinda planning and looking at one 944, but I stopped at the Jag. But it's a stunning looking car. Oh gosh, look at this 996 Turbo. Beautiful, it looks so good. It almost looks like new. And look at this Shelby Cobra 427 SC. What a beautiful looking car. Here we have a 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Well, I see them every day around the city, so I can't say this is something special, but still, it's the Hellcat, so it's already special. Here we've got a 1985 Ford XR4 Ti. I think in Europe they used to call this Ford Sierra, if I'm not mistaken. The F-Type is one hell of a stunning looking car. I'm not a big fan of these wheels, but the color is just perfect. SVR. 1977 308 GTB. Gosh, that's beautiful. And of course, one of my favorites, Testarossa. Well, who doesn't love Testarossa, right? This is the real iconic design. 1988. There we have a 1972 365 GTC 4. And here we got another Ferrari from 1970 365 GT 2+2. Stunning. Driving this around these days will definitely turn heads. Just look at this guy, so huge. Wow. Let's see, what is this? Of course, this is the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. John Ringling's Rolls-Royce. Wow. 1922. 1923 Pierce Arrow series. Wow. It's a 1923 Jewett. Wow. So stunning. I can easily say, guys, this is one of my favorite places in Sarasota at the moment, and it's a real car guy's heaven. I can spend hours here and never get enough of it. Here we have another room. Oh gosh, it feels so good to be here. I'm not sure, this may be an M3 or... This is stunning. Well, so I just left the museum. I'm in their parking lot, and what I can say is really happy, actually. I'm really happy that they are here. They exist in Sarasota for so many years. If I'm not mistaken, they've been here for about 75 years or something like that, or since 1975. I cannot remember, but they've been here for a long time. And yeah, as a little sad that they're moving, but we'll see. Hopefully, I'll keep checking their website, and in the future, I can visit their new location. I wish them good luck, and but what I can say is this is a real car guy's heaven. You can literally spend hours and hours there reading a lot of history. And so I was talking and talking to my camera in my car, and all of a sudden I just wanted to finish the vlog, and all of a sudden I realized my battery died. And I usually have with me the second battery in my bag, but this time it was at home. And I said, you know what, let me just go and drive around the city, enjoy the day, and also the rain was coming, so I'm not in the best mood when, it's rainy outside, it's dark. But still, it was a great day. I'm in a great mood because I got to see all these awesome cars. And it will be always a big pleasure for me to return anytime. But and I could not talk too much while I was walking there, because after a few minutes I realized that there was a background music playing from their speakers, right? And if I upload a video like this, YouTube most probably YouTube will just cancel this video. So I just did my best to stick together some of these moments and share with you the experience I got today. Yeah, it was a big pleasure. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.